Pit can't reach his teddy. Pit unbuckled his seatbelt.
Dad! Pit hasn't fastened his seatbelt.
Pit, fasten your seatbelt, please.
What is Pit up to? Pit, that isn't safe. And now Daddy's in trouble.
What is it?
Get back in your seat, Pit.
Pit, are you hurt?
I'm not, but my bear is.
Now Daddy has to pay a ticket.
Never unbuckle your seatbelt. It's dangerous.
Daddy seems upset. Maybe it's because of the ticket.
That's why Dad is still angry.
Pit wants to help pay for it.
The offender must pay a fine.
Okay, Pit, let me explain this to you. Let's start our crash test. Here's what happens without a seatbelt.
The passenger gets hurt.
I'm worried about you, not about the money. Remember, the seatbelt is for your safety.
Seatbelts on. We're ready to go. Me and Pit are watching videos on our phone. But we're not really paying attention. We don't even see the cars coming.
Hey!
We could have been hurt. We need to pay attention when crossing the road.
Stop!
When the light is red, we stop. And when the light turns green, we can...
Go! Stop! Go!
Now we understand. We'll put our phones away.
Stop!
And wait for the green light.
Come on, let's go!
We did it! It's cold and raining outside. Toy car is all alone. Don't worry, it's only baby. She wants to play with you. First, toy car needs to be cleaned up. Baby knows what to do. That's much better. Toy car got hurt. What are you gonna do, baby? A bandage won't fix the dented hood.
I want to play too!
Look, Toy Car has no more energy. Toy cars don't drink milk, baby.
This is for little babies.
Pit thinks chips are a better idea. But toy cars can't run on chips. Daddy, can you make Toy Car better?
Each toy needs proper care.
Toy Car uses electricity for energy. Just plug him in. Now he's ready to play. But his hood needs to be fixed. A plunger will do the trick. Toy Car is as good as new. Time for baby to take a ride. Ooh, here comes out suitcases. What did Officer Pumpkin see? Pit, that's not a toy.
Pit, you can get on luggage belt.
You can hurt yourself.
I'm sorry.
Stop, wait. I'll see where he's going. He wants to watch the planes take off.
Don't run away from us. It's easy to get lost here.
Airports are very busy places. It's easy to get lost. That's a stranger. Always stay with an adult, you know. Time to weigh the suitcases. Yay! It's not too heavy. What about Pit's suitcase? It's too heavy. But why? I think he packed too many toys.
Pete, you've taken too much stuff.
We have to leave some of it behind. Pit thinks planes can carry all of his toys. But if a plane gets too heavy, it can't fly. Pit, I think we're lost. Where are Mommy and Daddy? Oh no, they left without us. Officer Pumpkin, we lost our parents.
Kid, don't cry. I'll take it to your parents.
Mommy and Daddy are looking for me and Pit.
Pete, Penny.
But they can't find us.
Dad!
We asked Officer Pumpkin for help. he ask for help?
If lost, ask a police officer or flight attendant for help.
Hurry! We'll miss our plane!
No! Wait!
Oh, Daddy! There's another line! It doesn't want to wait his turn.
It's important to stay in line.
See? We didn't have to wait long. Bye-bye! It's almost time to take off. So let's buckle those seatbelts. Will Daddy's belt fit? Yay! It does! Buckle up, Mommy. Okay, Blueberry. Everyone is ready to fly. The sun is very bright.
The window blinds must be open during takeoff and landing.
Huh?
Mommy, would you like something from my cart? She picked a book to read. What would you like, Daddy? He wanted a bottle of water. And now it's empty. Watch out, Bit! Daddy shouldn't litter on the plane.
Throw your trash in the bin.
See how easy it is, Daddy? The flight is getting bumpy. And Mommy and Daddy are scared. Don't be afraid. It's just some turbulence. Daddy needs to potty. Wait, Daddy. You can't go yet. You're in turbulence. You need to stay in your seat. There's no more turbulence. You can use the restroom. Oh no, the door is locked. If there is a red line on the door, it's occupied. Who's piloting the plane? Here it is. Our flight is over and we've landed safely. Thank you for flying our airline. We hope you enjoyed the trip. I need to get these ducklings across the road. It is stopping the cars. Mr. Lemon is up to something. Pit, we did it! The ducklings are safe! Mission complete! Mr. Lemon stole our car!
We need to catch him.
Oh! Pumpkin will help us.
Hey!
Let's go catch Mr. Lemon. You can't hide from us. Watch out, Officer Pumpkin. We need to drive very carefully. Phew, we made it, but...
Oh no! He's getting away!
Mr. Lemon can't drive across the lake, so he'll float across instead. Our monster truck can't float. Oh no, we can't jump over it. But Officer Pumpkin knows what to do. Pit, don't play with the buttons.
Please press this button!
Now we're tall enough to drive across. Hit has a plan. We'll pump the raft with a thumbtack.
I surrender! Well done, kids!
But Mr. Lemon sunk our car. Ooh, we get our own monster truck. Thank you, Officer Pumpkin. Oh no, it's Mr. Lemon. Be careful, Potato. Mr. Lemon is coming. Now his car has a flat tire. Is he going to steal Pit's wheel? He did!
Oh no! Where is my wheel?
Pit, you need to look for clues. I see footprints. Hurry and follow them. See, Mr. Lemon took your wheel.
Time to catch the criminal!
Officer Pit will catch you, Mr. Lemon. Uh-oh, he got away. But where did he go? Now Mr. Lemon's on a bike. I think he stole it from Potato.
Give me back my bike!
We need Officer Pumpkin's help. Quick, there's Now where did he go? Pit knows what to do. He's going to set a trap. Lime wants to wheel. Pit needs to wheel to catch a criminal. Shh! It's Mr. Lemon!
You are under arrest!
Well done, officer. You must stop at the red traffic light.
Pit got his wheel back. And he's ready to catch more criminals. Time for school. There's Lime, Harry, Blueberry, and Cherry. But who's missing? Me and Pit. We fell asleep on the bus. And now we're trapped. We have slept through our stop. We were playing on our phones all night. And we didn't get any sleep. The bus seats were so comfortable. What are we gonna do? The doors are locked. Let me try.
No! We are locked!
We have to find a way out. Look, there's an emergency exit. It's easy, Pit. Watch me.
Hooray! We are free!
The wind blew the exit shut. And now it's stuck.
There's also a hatch in the roof!
But it's so high. How can we reach it? We'll use this broom.
Huh?
But how do we get to this hatch? Great! So adults can hear us. Let's honk the horn. Officer Pumpkin and Miss Apple heard us.
You saved us!
No, you saved yourselves.
If you're stuck on the bus, use the emergency exit immediately. Or use a horn to send a signal to an adult.
Ooh, Pit has a magic necklace. And so do I. water powers. And I have fire powers. But water can put out fire. I can do something even cooler. Daddy's garden is dry. Pit's water power can help. I know. I'll help Mommy cook the chicken.
Oh.
How's that, Mommy? Pit wants some chicken. But I'll stop him. Now it's really hot. My fire is out of control. Even Pit's water can't stop it. Let's see if a rain cloud can help. I think it's working. It's a tornado, Pit!
Oh no! What have I done? Stop!
That's just making it bigger. Let me try. What should we do?
Let's do.
I'll bring out the sun. Bye-bye, tornado. We did it!
That's why fire and water should be friends.
Water and fire helped make our lunch. Good job! You can't catch me! The needle isn't real!
Kids, it's time for a shot.
Hey!
Needles are scary!
It will help protect you.
There are germs everywhere! But a needle can protect you from them!
Don't be afraid. It's good for your health, kids.
I'm going to be brave! It's done? Wow, it didn't hurt at all!
Pit, now it's your turn.
Where did Pig go? I think he's in the cupboard.
Oh, come on. Calm down, dear.
Okay, Pit, time for your needle. But Pit, needles keep you safe from getting sick. See, you're not protected. I have an idea.
See, he looks like you.
You look like a superhero.
He's so brave.
I want to be brave too.
There, Pit, you did it.
Hey, that's all.
I didn't feel anything.
This is for your bravery.
Thank you, Doctor.
Oh, Pit. And now you'll stay healthy. Mr. Lemon wants to catch the baby elephant. He was caught in his own cage. But he scared the baby elephant. Why is he hiding, Pit?
He must be lost.
Mr. Lemon still wants to catch him.
We have to help him find his home.
Those animals look friendly.
Maybe your home is here.
But Pit, he's not a monkey.
No. They walk on 2 legs and his walks on 4.
The monkeys dropped their bananas in the pond. The baby elephant can help with his trunk. There's another animal.
Maybe your home is here.
No, Pit, that's a giraffe. See the long neck? And
Look, they're different colors.
the balloons are tangled in her head.
Oh no, he's stuck.
Baby elephant used his trunk to help again. Pit, what's wrong? Mr. Lemon is back to catch the baby elephant. The monkeys and giraffe will stop him. Ha! Now Mr. Lemon is caught. I know what to do. I can find Mommy Elephant from up here. I see her, and she looks sad.
I know where to go.
Mommy and baby are together again.
You found your mom. Now we need to find our parents.
Hi, Mommy. Hi, Daddy.
There you are. We were worried.
Thank you for bringing our kids back.
It's nice to be back with the people we love. It's fun playing with baby. I'll go get the ball. Hey, where did baby go? Oh no, I've lost the baby. Help me, Pete.
We will find the baby.
Is everything okay, kids?
Look over there, Pete. She must be behind the curtain. Oh, it's a plant.
It's a puppy, but we need to find baby.
Let's check at home.
Oh.
Oh,
It's an empty milk bottle. Baby must be close by. More footprints to follow. It's a baby. She's sleeping under the crib. Baby has been here all the time. Thank you very much.
use only safe places to play.
We will, Officer Pumpkin. Bye-bye. Super Mommy is here, and she can stop the monster.
Oh.
It's not really sleeping. He wants to watch a scary movie. Ooh, a puzzle. There was a monster inside. And I can't escape. Super Mommy! Look! Another monster! Help me, Mommy!
Don't be afraid, it's just a dream.
Hit! Give Mommy your tablet!
If you watch horror movies, you will have bad dreams.
I'm sorry.
Let's see what Pit's dreaming about. The zombie monster wants to play a game. Your turn, Pit. Pit lost. And now he's a monster. Super Mommy saved him.
Oh,
What happened, Pit?
I had a bad dream.
Mommy has a nightlight for us.
This lamp will protect you.
Now we're dreaming together.
This lamp will protect us.
It didn't work, Pit. We need Super Mommy. Let's try the lamp again. It's working. Mommy, you're our superhero.
You are my superheroes.
Now we can have sweet dreams. Nighty night, everyone.